Guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. Today this afternoon, I'm going to be sharing with you Rex's and Nitro's afternoon routine. Say hi, babies! Say hi! But yeah, we'll do that. First of all, I let the doggies out to do their business. Now put Rex's lick mat because he has peanut butter. Put it in the freezer. Right there. Oops. I fell over. And then I grab red meat. And there you go. Oopsies. I'll stay there. Put 9 presents. Grab some biscuits. I'll just grab a scoop so it's enough to go back. So I don't have to go back. Okay. Now I will put the meat in it. It's in the lid. I mean, the seal. That's really disgusting. I'll just get it out. Put it in. Put it in bowls. Yeah. Most of the time when there's not much of meat left, it's hard to get out, which I don't like. Then I grab the yogurt. Ooh, the thing's not clean. At least it's in the yogurt. Okay, it's fine. Yogurt in. Now we mix. Snappy dog food. This is harder because I actually, well no it's not. Wait, all I have to do is just smooth it out. If you guys can't see. Just have to smooth it out. It's easy. Put the spoon in Nitro's bowl. Put their food away. Not best to have my good Disney pajamas that I got from my auntie today. On behind some dog food. Put it away. Okay. So now, right. Take my bowl off. I have to figure something out. Now the spoon's washed off. Dog peanut butter. Don't give dogs real peanut butter because they can't have that because it's not good for them. Choose one tonight. Actually, I'm 4 options. So I'm gonna lay them down there. I'm gonna let Rex in. Nitro, Rex, come on. Nitro, no, not you. Rex, come on. Rex, come on. Rex, come on. Oh, he wants a honeycomb. Okay, you can go back outside now. Rex, outside. I know you can smell. Outside. Okay, you choose a honeycomb. Choose that one. put it back in his bowl. If the spoon was actually clean, I'd lick it, but it's not. Because I would normally, like without the yogurt, before I've done the yogurt, I would lick the bean or just do this. And I'm not going to. It's so good though. I'll give it to him. His dinner is done. Peanut butter. And then some nachos dinner is done. I haven't had dinner yet. Let the little demons in. Hello! Nacho! Where's Nacho? Nacho! I'll find him. Yes, Rex knows it's dinner time. So I tend to give Rex his first so he doesn't steal Nachos. Sit. Sit. Stay. Eat. Oh god, I forgot I have to take the lick bar off. Because I tend to say that's his dessert. Now Nacho doesn't have to wait. Because he's a good boy. And Rex is over here demolishing it. Oh my god. Forgot we had a TV down here. And I never actually thought of watching TV